Alright, so we're back down the Mac 10 factory. Come to check out the rig, and Straws has been a cheeky little bastard and snuck down here, master all up without me. Looking good. So let's take the boot off. Gonna get these standard wing holes welded up. Get my kit ready for fiberglass and then prime. So let's get into it. We go to get welded. Do you like to play games? Bar we're using, broken. Old bar we're using, broken. Not broken.
This, go to there.
So far Straubs has completely remade the bottom section, and now I'll show you how he's going to make the side. We've got a bit of old bar that I've had destroyed from the last kit. He's chopped that up, put some tape on it to get it where he needs it. I'm going to put some more tape on the bottom here.
Just to hold that in position where we want it. Fiberglass it from the inside. And then once it's all set from the inside, we'll take the tape off, put fiberglass on the outside, sand all the outside so it looks all pretty, and then put some filler in there to neaten up the fiberglass, because you can't really prime over fiberglass, so filler's really just to seal it. And then good to go, good primer.
Ripper. Alright, well I'll give you some progress shots as he keeps doing it. So glass has been applied to the inside. Now what are you doing?
Pulling the tape off. I'm going to sand here. And then some more, I'll put a bit of fiberglass on the outside. Just so we can fill here. Pretty strong though.
Fuck yeah.
So just fill that. And then
Ready? Okay, so finally got some glass on there. As you can see, looking all good. So the next bit is we're going to recreate Straubs. I'm just going to recreate this bit. It's lovely, donated by the Mac 10 boys old side skirt. Cheers, bro.
No worries at all. So yeah, we're just going to obviously do the same as we did here. Tape it from the outside, we'll put fiberglass down on the inside, and then same vice versa, swap it over and sand it all up, make it look pretty. But as you can see, it's actually starting to take shape now and look like a bumper bar again, or rear bar again. And yeah, that's it.
Just show you the other side. So, well, it's pretty decent. Right, let's get into it. And here's the finished product. So Straubs, first glassed the back, sanded that, took the tape off the front, glassed that, and has now sanded all that back. And as you can see, finished product. Almost identical. And now time for primer. Okay, so bars are all done. Ready for priming. Straub's done a killer work, getting all the fiberglass and top filler done. Looking great. So I'm going to leave for now, and then tomorrow we'll get this in the car, all in primer, and go from there. Oh, peace. Okay, so unfortunately I haven't been down here for a while, but while I haven't been down here, Straubs has been busy smashing the car out. So I missed a little bit of the primer getting painted, but here she is as she stands. Fucking looks crazy. And that's just primer. The bar over here.
Check them out.
All pieces fresh new door cards.
No handles.
Ooh.
No switches.
Looking fresh.
Carbon Kevlar.
So we're just test fitting up, cutting up the new flares now, and we'll keep going on from there. But I think for this vlog, we'll end up wrapping it up now, and we'll move on to painting as a separate vlog and the unveil. Until then, peeps, hope you're enjoying Straubs.
Peace out.
And we'll catch you on the next one. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. It's Friday, it's like 43 degrees today or something, and he's just been sweating bullets, smashing it out. Can't thank you enough, man. You've literally gone over the top of this.
No worries at all, mate. Happy to help.
So I guess
Keen to see it out there, fucking looking the goods, mate. Looking the goods.
I guess it's time to go have a look in, eh?
Time to go with it, mate.
Let's do it. Holy fuck. Are you serious, man?
Happy?
Man, that is banging. Holy. Should we give him a snake? Should we give him a snake? Little snake?